Good morning students. Today we are going to learn about the divisibility of numbers. Okay. Of numbers. Okay. In a previous class we have learned the some patterns we have learned and also complete the exercise problems. Okay. So what is the divisibility test? Okay. The first we will see the divisibility test by 2. Test rule. Okay. Example. The first one, divisible test by 2. The number 2. Okay. So rule is a number is divisible by 2 if it's ones place. If it's ones place or ones digit, okay, ones place or ones digit is 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. Okay. So the given number represented in the ones digit is 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. Then the given number is divisible by 2. Okay. Given number is divisible by 2. Example 242 is given. So the unit place is 2. Okay. So how can you write the result? The given number in ones digit of the given number is 2. Okay, shortly write. The ones digit of the given number is 2. Therefore 242 is divisible by 2. Divisible by 2. Okay. And next one of the divisible test is 3. Next one of the divisible test is by 3. Okay. So a number is divisible by 3 if the sum of its digits is divisible by 3. Okay. Example 108. So the sum of the digit is equal to sum of the digits 1 plus 0 plus 8. What we get? 9. So 9 is divisible by 3. Therefore the given number 108 is divisible by 3. Okay, and next one of the divisibility test is 4. Sorry, in your book given 5 only. Okay ma, 5. So a number is divisible by 5 if the ones digit is 0 or 5. Okay, if the ones digit digit is 5 or 0. 5 or 0. Example 150. Okay, so the given number end with 0. Okay, so you should divisible by the number, the given number 150 is divisible by 5. Okay, and next one, divisible test by 9. So 9 means a number is divisible by 9. Okay, if it's the sum of its digits. Nine if it's sum of the digits. Okay, so 9th one if it's sum of the digits, if it's sum of its digits is divisible by 9. Okay, so example 5454. Okay, 5454. So what is the rule? A number is divisible by 9 if its sum of its digit is divisible 9. So what is the sum of value? Sum of the digits is equal to 5 plus 4 plus 5 plus 4. So 9 plus 9, 18. So 18 is divisible by 9. Okay, therefore the given number 5454 is divisible by 9. Okay, and last one, divisible test 10. Divisible test by 10. A number is divisible by 10 if its ones digits is 0. Okay, ones place is 0, then the given number is divisible by 10. Okay, example 1010. Okay, so the ones digit of the given number is 0. Therefore the given number is divisible by 10. Okay, that's it. So what are the divisible tests we have learned? The divisible test by 2. So the end of the number, the ones digit is 2, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 is the number divisible by 2. And next one, the divisible test by 3. The sum of the digit is divisible by 3. Therefore, the given number is divisible by 3. And next one, the divisible test by 5. The ones place of the digit is 0 or 5. Then the given number is divisible by 5. And divisible test by 9. A number is divisible by 9 if the sum of its digit is divisible by 9. Okay, sum of the digit is divisible by 9. And final one, divisible test by 10. A number is divisible by 10 if its ones digit is 0. Ones digit is 0. Then the given number is divisible by 10. That's it. Okay. Now we will see the example problem related the divisible test. Example 11. Check whether 363 is divisible by 3 or not. Okay. Which number? 363 is divisible by 3 or not. Okay, what is the rule of the divisible of 3? Divisibility test by 3 is the sum of the digit is divisible by 3, is it? Sum of the digits. So what we do? Add the digits. Okay. So solution, the sum of digit is equal to 3 plus 6 plus 3. Okay, add these values. 9 plus 3, 12. 12 is divisible by 3, is it? 12 is divisible by 3. Therefore, the number 363 is divisible by 3. Okay, and next one, example 12. Check whether 265 is divisible by 5 or not. 265. So what is the rule of divisible test by 5? The ones digit is 5 or 0, then the number is divisible by 5. Okay, so here the ones place is 5, therefore the given number is divisible by 5. Divisible by 5 if it's ones digit is 0 or 5. The ones digits of the given number 265 is 5. Hence, it is divisible by 5. It is divisible by 5. And next one of the example. 13. Find out whether the given number are divisible by 9 or not. Okay, find out whether the given numbers are divisible by 9. What is the rule of the divisible of 9? The sum of the digit is divisible by 9, is it? So you have to find out the sum of the values for the given numbers. Okay, so A 5454, B 354, and C 783, and D 611. Okay, so solution. So first one, A, so this is the sum of the digit. So is equal to 5 plus 4 plus 5 plus 4 is equal to 18. So it is divisible by 9. It is divisible by 9. Therefore, the given number is divisible by 9. And next B 354. Okay, the sum of digits is equal to 3 plus 5 plus 4. Okay, so 8 plus 4 12. 12 is divisible by 9. It's not equal, is it? It's not divisible by 12. Okay, not divisible. So therefore the given number is not divisible by 9. And C, the sum of the digits is equal to 7 plus 8 plus 3. So 18. 18 is divisible by 9. Therefore, the given number is divisible by 9. And fourth one, D 611, is it? The sum of digits is equal to 6 plus 1 plus 1. What we get? 8. It's not divisible by 9, is it? Therefore, hence 611 is not divisible by 9. Not divisible by 9. Okay. And next one, example 14. Which of the following is divisible by 2 and 3 both? 2 and 3 both. ரெண்டுமே எதெல்லாம் 2வும் இருக்கணும் 3யும் divisible ஆகணும். அப்படி உள்ள நம்பர்ஸ் என்னன்னு கேட்டிருக்காங்க. C. Question A 396, B 721, and C 504, and D 322. 322. Okay, so solution is A1. Okay, so 2, what is the rule of the 2? The unit place is 2, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 is in the unit place, it should divisible by 2. Okay, so here end with 6, so it's divisible by 2. So what is the rule of 3? The sum of the digit is divisible by 3, then the given number is divisible. We will check the first one is satisfied. Okay, so ones place, ones digit, okay, digit of the number 396 is 6. Hence, it is divisible by 2. Okay, and also we have verified the divisible test of 3 also. Okay, so the sum of digits, what is the sum of the digits? 3 plus 9 plus 6. Is it? So 3 plus 9, 12. 12 plus 6, 18. So 18 is divisible by 3. Hence, the given number E96 is divisible by 3. Okay, so both satisfy. Okay, therefore 396 is divisible by 2 and 3. Okay, 2 and 3. First one satisfied. Move to the second, B. (721). Okay, so first find out the unit place. Unit place is 1, so it's not divisible by 2. And then the sum of the value is 10. 10 is not divisible by 3. Therefore, the 721 is not divisible by 2 and 3. Okay, so ones place is 1. Okay, therefore it is not divisible by 2. The sum of, second one, the sum of the digits equal to 10 is not divisible by 3. Not divisible by 3. So hence 721 is not divisible by 2 and 3. And next to C, 504. So ones digit of the number 504 is 4. 504 is 4. Therefore, it is divisible by 2. And then the sum of the digits 504 is, what is that? 5 plus 0 plus 4 is equal to 9. Okay, so 9 is divisible by 3. 9 is divisible by 3. Therefore, 504 is divisible by 3. Okay, divisible by 3. Hence the given number 504 is divisible by 2 and 3. And fourth one, D, ones digit of the number is 2. Ones digit of the number is 2. Hence it is divisible by 2. Hence it is divisible by 2. And then find the sum of the digits. What is that? 3 plus 2 plus 2. So 5 plus 2, 7. 7 is not divisible by 3. So the given number 322 is not divisible by 3. Not divisible by 3. Hence 332 is divisible by 2 but not divisible by 3. Okay, and next one of the example 15. Find the least digit which can replace the question mark in the given numbers. Okay, that's also we have seen in the next class ma. Okay, see the exercise 4.2. Complete the following table with yes or no. Okay, some numbers given and divisible by 2, 3, 5, 6, 9, 10 also given. So the given number is divisible by 2, yes. 3, yes. Okay, if it's not divisible by 2 or 3, no. You will frame a table in your homework note. You will complete the homework in the first problem. Okay, and second one, which of the following numbers are divisible by 5? Okay, the first one is homework. Now move to the second problem. First one homework. Okay, so second problem, which of the following numbers are divisible by 5? The first one, here give it 3 numbers, A 252 and B 349 and C 8100. Okay, 8100 is given. Is divisible by 5. So first is, what is the rule of divisible by 5? The ones digit of the given number is 0 or 5. So ones digit we will check. Here 2 is not possible. Here 9 is not possible. Here the n place ones digit is 0. So it is divisible by 5. Okay, that is the answer. And third one, which of the following number are divisible by both 3 and 9? 3 and 9. Okay, so what is the rule of 3 and 9? The sum of the digit is divisible by 3 or 9. Okay, see the first one 108. So the sum of the digit is equal to 1 plus 8 is equal to 9. Is divisible by 3. Okay, and here write, commonly write, is 9 is divisible by 3 and 9 also. Is it? 3 and 9 also. And hence 108 is divisible by 3 and 9. And next B 303. So what is the value? is divisible by 3, is it? The sum of digit is equal to 3 plus 0 plus 3 is equal to 6 is divisible by 3, but 6 is not divisible by 9. Okay, hence 303 is divisible by 3 but not divisible by 9. Okay, and C problem. $95, 495. The sum of digits is equal to 4 plus 9 plus 5. So what is the value? 18. 18 is divisible by 3 and also 9 also. And 9 also, is it? Hence 495 is divisible by 3 and 9. Okay, now move to the next one of the problem, 4th. Which of the following numbers are divisible by 10? Is homework. Okay, we will do the first and fourth homework. Exercise 4.2. First and fourth. Okay, I hope you all understood the concept of divisibility test by 2, 5, 9 and 10. Thank you, students.